DJI Mavic Mini, first flight. Got that coming up next. Ever since I picked up the DJI Mavic Mini at Best Buy, I've been anxious to get it up in the air for its first flight. Well, today that opportunity presented itself, and I went ahead and I took it out and put it through a series of maneuverability tests, and then took a short flight afterwards. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll that clip.
Okay, we are ready for our first flight. We're going to do some maneuverability tests, and we're going to go ahead and take it up for a little spin. So let's go ahead and get things started here. Now I'm going to do the auto takeoff.
Takeoff.
All right, it's a little windy. Actually, kind of impressed with the stability on it. Looking at it through the viewfinder, really impressed with that. We're going to take it forward a little bit. Back. Go forward again. Now we're going to do some side to side. I want to turn it around here and let's face the camera. Come towards the camera a little bit. And again, it's pretty windy, and I'm impressed with how it's holding up in the wind. It is definitely done well. All the early reviewers that have talked about how it handled the wind, I'm very impressed with that. Let's go ahead. We're going to turn this around again. We're going to go up and gain a little altitude here. Got it at about, I'm going to get up to about 10 meters here. Okay, it's right at 10 meters right now. We're going to take it out just a little bit. I don't want to go out too far. It has strong wind, fly with caution. So that has been duly noted here. Let's go ahead and take it out for just a little bit. Okay, so far so good. All right, now let's go ahead and we're going to do a auto return to home.
Go home.
Let's see how this does here. Okay, the aircraft's orienting itself. It's getting to its return to home altitude. And it is overhead.
Landing.
And let's take a look and see how this is for the first flight. See where we're at here. Okay, we're going to be off the mark here, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and bring it forward here a little bit. Okay, all in all, not bad for a first flight. We did pretty well. Looks like the return to home, it was close, but it wasn't the equivalent of a Mavic 2 Pro or Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. But all in all, very impressed, especially with how it handled in the wind. That was something to take note of here.
All in all, I was very impressed with the first flight from the DJI Mavic Minis. You can see it wasn't very sunny today and probably wasn't a good judge as far as the video was concerned, but the overall takeaway that I got from this is that it handles itself extremely well in the wind. I was very impressed with that. Question of the day. Have you been able to take up your DJI Mavic Mini for its first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.